Welcome to Solver Phi.
Hi, here we need to determine the molar mass of the compound, that is the ivobenzene, and the molecular formula for the compound is B20H22O3. Firstly, we will write the molar mass of individual element. For carbon, it is 12 gram per mole. For hydrogen, it is 1 gram per mole. And for oxygen, it is 15.99 grams per mole. A molar mass is the sum of the product of the number of atoms with their respective molar masses. So, for this compound, we will write carbon will get multiplied with its number of atoms, that is 20, plus hydrogen will get multiplied with its number, and the oxygen will get multiplied with its atomic mass. And the units will be taken as common, that is gram per mole. On calculating further, we will obtain 40.2 plus 22 plus 47.97 grams per mole. So we will obtain 310.32 grams per mole. Therefore, molar mass of the compound is 310.32 grams per mole. I hope you have got your answer. Thank you.